Hey everyone, so if you're like me and you just purchased an electric typewriter, this is a Smith Corona Sterling Automatic 12, and you're having issues with the capital letters. Either they're too high, they're not registering like those J's, or they're too low like that A, and you just want to get it fixed, here is how you do it. So I've seen a lot of videos on how to do it with manuals, but this is not a manual typewriter, this is an automatic typewriter. So the way you do it is with this typewriter specifically, you can look down here and you'll notice that there are two brass screws that are in focus right now. So it's specifically that screw at the end of my screwdriver, and then there's one to the left down there, and you can see it if I press shift. You see those two down there. The one on the right is for uppercase letters, and the one on the left is for lowercase letters. You will turn those screws clockwise to raise the letter, and then counterclockwise to lower the letter. And you just continuously twist them a little bit and check until you get perfect vertical alignment, as you can see with that T there, and test them. And basically what those screws do is they control the travel of the shift, or they control where the lowercase letters sit as you type. So that's how you do it with an automatic typewriter. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks.